Hello everyone, I'm so sorry for not posting in like 2 weeks. I have this really bad cough, and also I missed Father's Day, which I'm really sorry about. I know I did Mother's Day, but Father's Day I just couldn't do. I was so busy. I'm so sorry. So I'll keep posting a little bit more. I just didn't have any time because I now have camps, and it's just I can't really do any more videos as I used to, but I will try to do as much videos as I can. So, in July, which it is June, July 6th, I'm having a party at my house. So, it's a disco party, and if you come, you can, but we are in Maryland, so it is going to be a little hard if you can't come, which I'm really sorry. And sorry guys. My cough is really bad. So I'll just keep posting some more. I'll try. Bye, love you.